Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. The first thing we have to do, go to your settings, make sure Bluetooth's on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. SKODA BT has already come up on my phone. If it hasn't, then what you need to do, go to phone, and then you see please find or find telephone here. So I'll click find telephone anyway. Searching for devices, Bluetooth audio stopped. No, that's nothing to worry about. I've only just deleted this phone from this system. Here we go. We'll wait till it finds it, but my phone's, there you go, it's cleared it and it's looking for it again now. This is just in case it doesn't come up on your phone automatically. This is how to find it. Normally it would just come up and you click it. So there you go, it's found my phone. Click on that. Hands-free telephone, connecting to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Check whether confirmation is required. So there we go, Bluetooth pairing request. Does it match this passkey 169459? Yes, it does. So pair, and we'll click yes on the system. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. SKODA there, we'll just wait for it. That's it, connected, and it's showing on the system. Real good system.